My coaching services circles around well-being to help people achieve their goals. I create space for my clients, putting focus on the benefits of taking care of their well-being. So it's a holistic perspective on helping people thrive and flourish. And it's just perfect that the well-being, I find that it's very much connected to the whole person coaching program. When I started thinking of becoming a coach, of course, you do some window shopping. So I looked at different companies. So they have spiritual coaching, executive coaching, and many others. And then I found this program of Feroshia. It says whole person coaching. So to me, it brings balance. It sends a message that it will touch each important parts of a person's life. And I think that's very important to live a full life. And having that knowledge when I do my coaching on how to help a person with that while touching different areas of their life, I think it brings my abilities to the next level when it comes to my coaching career and helping my clients. Since I attended the program in person, I flew from Manila to Portland. That was really exciting. I gained friends, and these friends inspire me and up to this day. I'm connected with them until now, even when I'm in Manila or in Canada, and they're mostly in USA. I felt like I built lifelong friendships with people in the same wavelength. So that's number one. And number two, I find that even though I started the program, I took the program in 2018. Um, Now it's 2022. Every time I need something, I find that there's endless support that I can get from the administration of the school and also from the community. It's just amazing that you can get different types of support, anything you need, even with papers or coaching hours or just advice. It's there. So that's really awesome, and that's very beneficial up to this time, even if it was years ago when I attended the program. So that's number two. And number three is the certification. The certification truly added to my credibility. So it really I feel like it sets me apart in a positive way from some coaches in the industry. So the certification is the last but not the least. It's actually very useful for me. Feroshia and the program she has, provided us with tools that we can use, not just personally, but I can use these tools when I do my group workshops. I've tried it before, and I really saw in my audience how it like clicked, and I saw that many of them had this thinking bubble or the light bulb moment just with using one of the tools that she provided to us during the program. So that really works. In personal level, it works, and I'm really excited to share this with my future clients in my future group workshops. When I'm in a dilemma, decision making, whether that be even small or big decisions, I find myself asking questions to myself, the questions I ask to my clients, and until I get the answer that would satisfy the need at the moment. So that is very helpful. I've never done that before I took the coaching program. So that really helped me in a personal level. And also, I'm a mother and a wife. As a mother, it's very helpful. Raising a child can be tricky, especially in the awkward years. And I'm able to use the coaching techniques that I learned from the whole person coaching program. And as a wife, this is really helpful even up to this day. I'm able to communicate well with my husband when we talk about challenges he sometimes have or experiencing at work. And you know what? Amazingly, it does not stop there. He learns from me what I learned from Feroshia, and him as a, as a leader in their organization is able to share it forward to his staff as well. Enrolling in the program, the whole person coaching, is one of the best life decisions I've ever made. It's life changing. It has lifelong benefits, not just for my career as a coach, but also in my personal life. It changed me as a person. Um, and so I really highly recommend this program to anyone who is dreaming or planning to become a coach in the future, because you will, as a person, you will really learn a lot, gain a lot of tools and knowledge that you can use um, in your coaching career. So yeah, thank you so much, Ferocia, and thank you to your team and the whole person coaching program.